Hi guys, time for another quick fun project. What I'm doing now is I'm improvising a desktop microphone for my computer for my other channels where I shoot things on the computer. I have a webcam, but it's a pretty cheap one and the sound isn't really that good. And I have a bass made from an old loudspeaker magnet, a pretty beefy one too. I think it's about somewhere at least 800 grams, if not 1 kilo of weight, so it's definitely enough for a microphone. The whole microphone build will be another video. Now, because I'm using, it's not exactly paint, it's that stone chip protection spray. I don't know if it's word. Shit. I don't know if it's a word in English, bituminous or something like that. It's basically the tar that you use on the roofs, on some roofs. The thing is, this spray looks very nice. It's very useful for a lot of stuff, but it dries very slowly. It can take days for it to stop evaporating, to stop giving off that smell. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to hurry that process a bit by introducing an incandescent light bulb in there, and I'm making the cable for the bulb. You'll see what's going on in just a second. I'm uninsulating these wires. I'm gonna... Where's that thing? Honestly, some things just disappear. Does that happen to you? I mean, it was here like a minute ago. I'll be damned if I find it. Hold on. It was on the desk inside. I have no idea what it was doing there. Okay, so I'm gonna use this as well. I need to uninsulate the wires. Just a little bit, not too much. A nice, fresh, sharp blade, which will probably last a couple of days again until I find something difficult for it to cut. And I have my powerful soldering iron on top of me here. Not on my head, it's like it's hanging from the ceiling. Gotta be very careful. It says 30 watts on this thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that this is not a 30 watt soldering iron. This is like 100 watt at least. I think I can measure it, so but at least the temperature. A piece of solder fell on my nail, and this is what it did. I tell you, that was one of the worst pains I ever felt. I felt like being burned alive. This thing is nasty. But it's also very good for large pieces of metal like this. It's child's play to play around with them. Let's see, I hope. Oh, that feels so good. I can't tell you for how many years I struggled with a very weak soldering iron to do stuff like this. It feels very good to be able to finally do some useful stuff on large metal bodies. Bodies? No. Wrong word again. Who cares? This is gonna be difficult in the air like this. I hope you saw that last thing. I forgot to check the camera. If not, I added some solder on a light bulb. And then I'm gonna pass it through this thing here, which I'm not very pleased with, but whatever. And then try to solder the light bulb. That's one. Whew. Need to hold it for a while. Ouch, 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 ouch. This thing is like the sun. It's like a mobile portable sun. Jesus. And then that side. And hopefully I'm done with the soldering iron. I'm gonna be very careful not to make it drop on top of my head. And now we should have this. Already put the plug on the other side of the cable. I'm gonna plug this in, unplug the soldering iron. Let me move it away a bit just so it's not straight on top of my head. Okay. Take back. And there you go, that's the light. This is the magnet base with the still not dry spray paint on it. Let me see, I have to check that it doesn't touch the magnet. It doesn't. It's a little on the side there. And then just cover it up. I don't know what this plastic flower pot will do. I mean, it's not like the light bulb is directly next to it. But I don't think it's gonna melt. Let me see if I can grab the camera. You can see the light bulb being turned on there. Underneath, and this is the flower pot. Hopefully that will speed up the drying process a little bit, because it's really annoying. I mean, take a look, these were like, I think an hour ago, and it's still smooshy, see? It's horrible to work with. You know, usually with the spray paint, you just apply it. You can even hold the thing in your hand if the layer is thin enough, and you just, you know, give it a little bit of air for a couple of seconds, and usually that's enough. You can just place it down somewhere. This is a whole new thing for me. And that's why it spreads everywhere. I got it on my floor, on my tiles, here in the balcony, and I really have to clean it. One good thing is that once it's really dry, it's easy to take off. It just scrapes off, unlike some other spray paints, which is always nice. And that's it for now. I hope that I'll be back with the microphone video soon. Let me show you the other half. Now I'll tell you more. It's basically one of these water fittings, flexible connections. Drilled a hole on the base. This part sits on the magnet, and then the microphone will come on top, you know, and this will kind of stay like this on the desk. Adjustable too. You put a piece of copper wire inside to make it stay the way you want it to stay and not just flop down. That's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.